Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on one gorgeous 1953 Pontiac Chieftain two-door hardtop. This car has been completely restored. The gentleman we got this car from, this was his baby. This car runs and drives absolutely amazing. It has a straight 8 in it with a 4-speed automatic transmission, power steering. This car has a lot of options on it. The spotlights, the stainless trim, beautiful interior in this car, all redone. The jams are super nice. Door panels, all the chrome, the handles, the trim, everything is just absolutely gorgeous. This gentleman that had this car was very, very particular. He really didn't even want me to go near his car. He didn't think I was going to buy his car. And just very, very particular guy. Had towels down over top of the floor mats. The fan works, the radio works. The wipers work. Horn works. The cigarette lighter works. Even the cigarette lighter light works. This is just a super, super cool car. Like I said, you can see the interior, how nice it is. No exception. The bottom side of the car is absolutely gorgeous too. The chrome and stainless, polished to perfection. I mean, it's very, very nice. Spare tire and jack. Very nicely detailed trunk. I bought this car and my dad and I, we got it home and we're like, let's go drive it. So we went and put about 20 miles on it and it runs and drives amazing. Piece of GM history here, Pontiac history, GM history. Headliner is super tight. All the stainless trim over top of the headliner is great. The jams all the way down. You see, you got a little bit of rubber there, a little bit of sealant. Didn't even notice that until now. I should clean that off. All the glass in the car is in excellent shape. Engine just purrs like a kitten. Chieftain head, pretty cool. That big Pontiac head on the front of it. What an awesome car. All the body lines and gaps are very nice. I will put this car up on the hoist later on here and get some undercarriage pictures of it, but the door's shut great. Fender skirts on it. The paint is beautiful. We brought the car home and just ran it through the shop real quick. We put new points and condenser in it, new battery in it. just move it ahead just a little bit. Got a gal out there walking her dog. I told her she could walk her dog here, so. Spotlight work? Yeah. Spotlight works. Got the stoplight indicator in it. This is just a super cool car. Like Brandon there, my one guy that works for me, he's like, that's a super nice car. It is. It's just an awesome car. The only thing I need to do to this car yet, and there's a cable in the back, a speedometer cable for it that needs to be put on. The cable itself is good, but the inside of the cable needs to be replaced. So the gentleman said when we bought this car, he drove it into we went to a big swap meet and got the car. In the car corral, and he said he drove it in that day and the speedometer quit working, so he's like, I got an extra one at home. So he said the miles on his car are right. He said other than the couple hundred miles he put on it when the cable quit working, 42,730 miles is what it says. It's an actual mile car. But it's an old car, so I mean, there's no way to verify that. But just look at the condition of the dash. Look at the condition of the gauge cluster. Just everything about this car. And nothing for these cars. You can't hardly find parts for these, so. Just an absolute beautiful ride. Brakes work really well. The e-brake works. I think I'll just go in here and turn around. Hasn't rained for a few days, so. I'll get out and do a little walk around here with you quick before we head to town. See, the e-brake does work and the light works too, so. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. This car, I'm gonna price this car at $49,900, and I think that's an absolute steal for this car. I think you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer one of these anywhere. Drives great, runs very, very well. Nice car. Probably about 55. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Those of you who have, thank you very much. Have a great afternoon, and I'll be back at you here in just a little while with a few more great collector cars.